you trying to record that on my tablet? Because you are not going to get it at all.
Whoa. What?
You are not going to get lightning on that camera.
I know, it's terrible.
Because it's a tablet camera. Unless you get a freaking iPad, then it's not working. Is that the rain that sounds like that?
Yeah, that's the trucks on the highway.
Whoa, I'm trying
How
to take
could
a bunch of
be trucks on the highway
Photoshop.
when it like just started? What is there never been trucks on the highway before?
It's a lot of rain.
I remember when I videoed.
Whoa.
That would be.
Jeez, why was it so big on my camera? It like covered up the whole screen.
That's crazy.
Just like a
What
big.
is that over there?
Yeah, the tablet's terrible. I'm recording. I just recorded anyways.
That.
Whoa.
Yeah, see, it is rain. Stupid. I was right. Either that or it's the wind from the.
It's supposed to be 40, up to 40 miles an hour.
Oh, it's like good.
Wow.
How's it going? That was cool.
Let me see back up.
Stuff I like, you know.
That one was really cool.
But that is definitely the worst case that you could talk.
I don't like this, right?
Who's counting?
My phone does.
I know, but who's counting? Is that like some dude's job? There's blood.
Didn't even make my screen like glitch.
That's what happened with mine when I took the picture. Like,
Whoa.
did you see that one?
No.
It was like, chill over there.
Ella, it's on my camera.
It made my screen glitch.
This is the biggest thunderstorm I've ever seen.
It was on the set.
Very awesome.
Thank you, mother. Yeah.
Whoa.
Come on, honey, let's go to the store.
Yeah.
What?